Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to share with you how to gold chart, how was the reacted gold chart with the CPI data inflation report release was last 13th February. What was the chart action goal? This video I like to share with you. This you can join with my Telegram, link is below. Accurate goal and analysis signals and VIP access, get the profit from the gold trading. So I am in a daily chart goal. You can see this point. This is the 13th February. That was the day of US inflation report was released. This day you can see the red candle, daily candle. I am in a daily chart goal. This you can see the big red candle to the downside, about 300 pips. That was that candle. So that drop was the reason is the dollar demand, and gold dropped to the below side. You can see price dropped from 2035 from to 1980 for 2030 to 1985. That is the $40 drop, but that is the huge drop. That was reason the dollar demand with the inflation report, and the gold dropped to the below side. So how was the dollar demand? That is the matter. So I like to share with you how to analyze chart with the CPI data report, economic data with gold chart. So you can see that I'm going to the Forex factory website 13th February. You can see the inflation yearly report is the 3.4 is the previous report, and inflation expectation is the 2.9, and the actual figure is the 3.1. So let's see the how to analyze this economic data inflation report to drop to goal below side. So 3.4 is the previous inflation report. So remember 3.4 previous inflation CPI data report, and the Fed American Central Banks expect to the inflation report drop to the 2.9. So 2.9 is the now inflation expectation. So Fed expect to inflation drop to the 2.9, but the actual was the 3.1. So that is the reason Fed expected to drop 2.9, but actual was 3.1. So inflation was report was not dropped to the as expected Federal Reserve American Central Bank. So inflation expectation 2.9, that is the important thing, but the actual figure is the 3.1. So inflation was not dropped to as expected. Fed expected 2.9, but 3.1 is the actual report. So American Central Bank Fed's current interest rate is the 5.15. This is the inflation expectation 2.9. So inflation expectation is the below 3%, but actual figure is the 3.1%. So Fed needs to interest rate keeps again that is the inflation report shows. Inflation report indicates the 5.5 is the Fed's current interest rate, and Fed need to interest rate keep hold again because inflation report not drop to the as expectation. So that's the Fed virtual website. You can see the 89% interest rate forecast post in March, and May also above 60% interest rate post forecast. Sorry. So that is the interest rate post forecast will be increased. That will the help dollar demand because of 5.5 is the aggressive rate for dollar at this moment this time. So inflation report not drop to the expectation. So dollar demand and the gold drop to the vertical drop to the $40 above 400 pips, like that drop to the 1985. That is the gold chart was acted with the inflation report. So you should know how to read with the economic data chart. So that is the dollar demand and gold drop to the inflation report. So you should know how to read chart carefully with the economic data and the like inflation report like that. So you can join with my Telegram link so accurate gold signals analysis. Link is below. Thank you very much.